Hi everyone, good evening, Jai Hind. We love meeting students and that is why we keep on organizing these kind of events. Math Circles is now coming to Pune. This is an event जहां पर हम सब बच्चों को, पेरेंट्स को, मैथ enthusiasts को invite करते हैं to our workshops so that they are able to look at a different way of looking at mathematics, different way of solving mathematics and making everyone fall in love with mathematics. So mathematics is not only about, the formula rote memorization and applying those formulas in the form of problems as you do in schools. It is much beyond that and it is fascinating. It is something which excites a lot of students and parents. So this is one activity which we keep on doing and this time it is in Pune. अगले संडे होने वाला है. लेट मी टेल यू द डिटेल्स एंड व्हाट इज द एक्सपेक्टेशन, क्यों आपको आना चाहिए. आई विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट वेरी ब्रीफली. So, first of all, this is going to happen on 23rd of August. The VOS team is coming. Me, Chetan sir, the team is going to be there and you are all invited. अगर तो math enthusiast हो, maths problem solve करना अच्छा लगता है, IOQM की तैयारी कर रहे हो, NTC की तैयारी कर रहे हो, this is one workshop you should not be missing. We will be there. We will, of course, after the event, we will also try to meet you and your parents also. So there are going to be two sessions on the same day, right? So you can apply to any one of these sessions depending on where you are located. So the first session is going to be in the Swargate Center of Vedantu Learning Center, and it is going to be from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. The second session is at PCMC from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. तो ये दोनों सेशन सेम डे होने वाले हैं and these are both 2-hour sessions, and after that of course we will be meeting you and your parents also in the same center. So if you are a mathematics enthusiast studying from grade 7th to 12th, even if you're a college going student or a parent, you are invited to this and this is totally free. Okay. So again, there will be a lot of, because we have already floated the form in our Telegram group, so there are limited seats. So do fill the form as soon as possible you see this session. Now the point is, do you have to attend both? No, the content is going to be the same in both the sessions. So you have to attend exactly one of these two. Now what happens at Math Circles? तो मैथ सर्कल जब हमने स्टार्ट किया था, आई मीन दिस इज गोइंग टू बी प्रॉब्ली 9th or 10th place wherein we are doing this math circles. The idea of starting the math circles was mainly to meet the students. हमारे बहुत सारे students पूरे इंडिया के अंदर फैले हुए हैं, तो whenever we go to a different city, हम वहाँ के स्टूडेंट्स को इनवाइट करते हैं एंड ऑफ कोर्स वी गेट टू मीट देम. ऑनलाइन तो काफी बातें होती हैं बट ऑफलाइन फॉर्म में एक अलग रेपो बनती है. The second is to spread the awareness of the right kind of mathematics, which is there in very few parts. Pune being one of the cities जहां पर mathematics awareness बहुत ज्यादा है because of the tremendous work which has been done by a lot of teachers already in Pune, and that is why we are super excited for the Pune Math Circle event. So यहाँ पर क्या होने वाला है? Of course there will be problem solving. नॉर्मल प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग नहीं रहेगी, अलग तरीके के प्रॉब्लम्स होंगे जहां पर सोचना पड़ेगा एंड ऑफ कोर्स इट इज गोइंग टू बी फन. देयर विल बी लॉजिक एंड पजल्स एंड यू विल learn a different and you'll see a different aspect of looking at the problems. There'll be patterns and discoveries, and also the discussions and debates are going to happen because हमें लगता है without discussions, without knowing the others point of view, mathematics की knowledge ना complete होती नहीं है. Right, so we will be, of course, doing a lot of these kind of things which we do in every math circles, and it is going to be a super amazing workshop. You should not be missing this, particularly if you are in Pune. Okay, now how do you reserve your seat? There is a Google form which is there in the description box. It is compulsory to fill that form. ठीक है, उस फॉर्म को फिल करना जरूरी है, कंपलसरी है, सारी डिटेल्स वहां पर लिखी हुई है. एंड वंस यू फिल दैट फॉर्म, आवर टीम इज गोइंग टू कॉल यू एंड इज गोइंग टू कंफर्म योर सीट. तो जो गूगल फॉर्म है वो इस तरीके का, यहाँ पर सारी की सारी डिटेल्स ऑलरेडी मेंशन्ड है. So choose one of the two Pune centers. So one is 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. The other is that is at Swargate. The second is at 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. PCMC center. And of course, there are details that you need to fill. And once you fill these details, within 48 hours, you're going to get a call from our team, and they're going to confirm your seat in one of the two centers. Okay. So again, if you are in Pune, do make sure you register. And if you're not in Pune but know someone who is in Pune or surrounding areas, उनको भी आप बता सकते हो, बिकॉज अगर मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ, इफ यू आर in love with mathematics, your passion for mathematics is going to improve even more. And if you fear mathematics, you're going to see a different side of mathematics which you might not have seen before, and you're going to start falling in love. Take care, God bless you, and see you all in Pune Center. Bye everyone.